Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. I told y'all I was going to make this video and premiere it because I need y'all undivided attention. You're going to fit into one or two categories. Either you are interested and you're going to sign up and you're going to do all the things and you're going to know and you're not going to have no misunderstanding, confusion, or you're not and you're going to pass this along and share it to somebody who will be interested. Either way, I need your attention. Help me run this up, y'all. Um, I just was live. Thank y'all that showed up and showed out like y'all do. And I told y'all I was about to make this video because I need to have something in one place, not this video, this community post, this snippet, you know what I'm saying? Or talking about everything, but or and this and it get lost in translation or a person don't stay on the video long enough to get the information. So this video is just for this information, nothing else. And I'm talking about it in the beginning, getting to the point of what I'm talking about. Okay. So that way, anything you need to know, this video is going to tell you. Now, there's people that said they was going to sign up, and there's people that did sign up and did email me. And there's people that actually signed up for my fundraiser exercise classes. Okay. That's totally separate from the other stuff I got going on. So this video is to break it down. March 30th. That's this Sunday at what time is the class? I think it's 2 or 3 p.m. I'm gonna go ahead and look real quick. I want to say 3 p.m., but it could be 2. Either way, if you sent your donation and you didn't get the Zoom link and all that good stuff in time, text me if you got my number. And if you don't, email me at readyrocks55@gmail.com. READYROXX55@gmail.com. Okay. And if you still don't get what I just said, go to my channel, click on the description, and it's going to be right there. Make sure you spell it right. Okay. That's March 30th, fundraiser exercise class, $25 donation. I need as many people who can show up and show out. And you also need to let me know if you know a friend who wants to do it, or if you can't do it, but you just want to donate anyway. Let me know that. Email me ASAP. Like soon as you get done watching this video, email me, please. And usually when I talk to people about this type of stuff, I give them my number. So that way, when we going back and forth about whatever, I can get your message and you can get mine quicker via text message. Because if I don't get the notification about email, Gmail, then it's going to sit there longer than it probably should, depending on what you're trying to ask me. So email me after this video. Okay, we got that out the way. Now, what I want to talk about now is the April exercise slash dance class. Okay. They begin April 13th, every Sunday in April, starting April 13th on a Sunday every time at 10:45 a.m. Central Time. We will meet on Zoom. You need the link. You need to email me. I'm not putting no Zoom links out. I got 100 spots, and I know I'm not gonna probably because I'm not a big content creator, and I may not. Chances are it won't get to 100 people, but it's possible. I know the possibilities, and I would love to reach that goal. But even if it's 5, 10, 25, or the whole 100, all you are valuable, and I will be there. But what you need to understand about the April 13 classes is that before we do that, we're going to meet April 5th, which is a week before. It's going to be like an orientation slash line dance, boots on the ground tutorial, learning it together. So go to the Dollar Tree. I heard they got the fans. I know Walmart may have them. The local beauty supply, Chinese, Korean store may have them. I'm quite sure they probably got some. If all else fails, you can get one from Amazon within 2 days. So that's the information. I actually did a tutorial teaching you how to use the fans. I ain't got no views on that hardly. Run it up, share it, y'all. Share it on your community posts, on your IG, on your Facebook. You'd be surprised if 50 or 100, 200 y'all do that. That's more people to see it, and maybe they're sharing so on and so on. That's how things go viral, right? Right. Okay. So April 5th, uh, 2 p.m. That's a Saturday. Some people got stuff going already. Just let me know. But you're going to still start the classes on April 13th. You're going to meet me April 13th every Sunday at 10:45 a.m. That's going to be 4 classes, y'all. Okay, I'm looking at my calendar. just to make sure I'm giving y'all some good information. Okay, today is March 25th. The 31st is Monday. Okay, today is Tuesday. So once we get through this weekend, that Monday is the 31st. That class is the 30th. The one we talked about, the fundraiser. So make sure y'all there and make sure y'all text me and get these links. I can't remember everything. I'm not going to remember if I gave it to you and you probably already told me, or I'm just going to forget. And my brain don't be braining like it used to sometimes, especially when I'm trying to multitask. But I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Stick with it. So by Monday being the 31st, that means April the 5th is that following Saturday. That's right around the corner, but it's enough time for you to get those fans to prepare and decide if you really want to do it. And yes, you got to show yourself. How else am I going to know if you're doing the steps right? Right? Okay. Got that out the way. So we got out the way the fundraiser exercise, March 30th. You know to email me if you have already and you got your Zoom link and you sent your donation in, you good to go. If you haven't and you plan on still doing it, email me. Okay. April 5th is the introduction orientation for the actual exercise/dance classes that start in April 13th. Okay, in the meanwhile, in between time, before we meet April 5th for that orientation and the line dance, boots on the ground, go watch the tutorial teaching you the steps, breaking it down. I'm not talking about the short where you see me actually dancing to the song. That's totally different than the tutorial. The tutorial is no music at all on the long form video. I have a long form video for that, and I got a video. I can't remember if it's long form or short because you can do shorts for 3 minutes now. But either way, I'm teaching you how to work the fan. I'm teaching you how to work your wrist. I'm teaching you how to pop it because it's not that easy unless you're already used to using those fans. And how many of us use those fans on a regular basis? That's what I thought. So take advantage of those and share. Okay. Then let me get to my other point. May, the whole month of May, starting May the 10th. We got the 10th, the 17th, the 24th, and the 31st. That's 4 classes of dance class. When I say dance, you notice I didn't say exercise dance. I said dance class. That means all that is going to be mostly dance. Of course, there's exercise involved. You got to warm up and stretch out first before you start teaching the dance, so you don't pull no muscles and stuff. But the first class is going to be probably Zumba. I might change the order, but Zumba. The second one is going to be, I'll decide to do line dance / jazz. Well, all depends on how many people come and, stuff like that. And the talent we got and the desire to do. The third one going to be African dance. And the last one is going to be hip hop. We're going to end it with hip hop. That's it. So we got our March 30th fundraiser exercise / dance, mostly exercise. Thanks, y'all. Need the donations. I can get up to 100 people in there. Please, please, please help me if you can. If you can't, the April classes that start on the 13th and the May dance classes I just told you about are free. But I want you guys to donate if you can, whatever you can. Okay? So if you got any questions whatsoever, put them in the comments now. If you are signing up for these April or May or even the fundraiser, it's still time to get in to help me if you can. Email me right now. Okay? READYROXX55@gmail.com. Again, it is in my channel description how to spell it. I'm looking forward to it. I want you guys all to bring a friend, somebody you know, in your circle, whether it's somebody on social media you met or somebody you already know in real life, in real time, your mother, your sisters, your nieces. We're going to have a good time, y'all. I promise you. You're going to be glad you did. You probably want to go find it in your own neighborhood to do it in real time, in person. If this turns out to be successful, we will continue doing this in May and June. We're going to do it in May. This is already locked in. But I will continue it in June, July, August, September. We'll just make it a way of life. Doing it every month, 1 day a week for 1 hour a day. And yeah, we might go over. I won't mind investing in paying for Zoom. It's a monthly fee to pay to use Zoom unless you want to use it just for 30 minutes. And this is going to take more than 30 minutes. So that means I got to go out my pocket and pay for to have it taken off my card in hopes that you guys are going to utilize it so I can get my money worth. My money worth will be you guys actually participate. And when you can, if you can't, donate your $2 or $5 or $20, whatever. Even if you actually send in super chats and super stickers, I prefer you give me my Zelle and my PayPal. I'm not going to even front. I'm going to give you my PayPal. I prefer you send Zelle and PayPal because I'm not going to get all the money through the super chat and the super sticker. But that's sometimes the only way people can do it. It's more convenient. They might be using a credit card. I don't know. It all depends. But anyway, y'all, I'm not going to hold y'all long. I just want to get straight to the point. I just want to hold y'all attention for at least a good 15 minutes or so y'all can get it. And if this is not for you and you just listen just because you wanted to support me, but you don't give a damn about none of this, you don't have no intent whatsoever about none of this shit I'm talking about, you're not going to participate, please just like it, share it, and then copy, link it, and share it to a friend on their phone. You can text it. Once you push, you're watching from your phone, right? You're watching the video from your phone. You're watching this, and then you just click on the share button, right? Click on the video, and you I didn't mean for that to come on, but I was just trying to go through the most to see how it's gonna go. Click the share button, and then there's a copy link button. You push it, and then you go out of the app and go to your text messages, the people you talk to on a regular basis all the time, right? You got your mom in there, your sister, and they don't have to be in the same town as you, in the same neighborhood. Because look, we all over. This is on Zoom. This is virtual. So you just click in there and tell them, look, check this out. It might be something you want to do. Subscribe to our channel and go check out the videos to get more information. But this is what's happening. I'm going to do it, or I ain't going to do it, but I know you like to do it. You've been talking about finding a Zumba class for a while. You was hoping that you can get in some type of activities to lose weight. It's, spring and summer is about to be here any second, y'all. So anyway, y'all, appreciate y'all so much. Y'all have really rocking with me, and I appreciate it. If there's anything y'all ever want me to do for you guys, listen to you, tell you how I do anything when it's concerning this content creation, or ear just to listen to you. If y'all resonate with me that well, then you want somebody to talk to, somebody just to listen, or you want some advice, or what would you do, or email me. If you got my number already, just text me. Okay. That being said, y'all enjoy the rest of y'all Tuesday. And I will see y'all on the social media streets on my next videos. I haven't really posted today, but I'm about to get up soon and start getting me some content out there. And I'll see y'all on the Wednesday relationship advice live stream. Y'all come through for me. Come through with those questions. Get on the panel. Give your opinion about what I'm going to be talking about. I might read some Reddit relationship advice and ask y'all what y'all think and give me your opinion. And you can come up. You don't have to show yourself if you come up on my panel. But when it comes to the Zoom stuff, yeah, because we're doing class, we need to see each other. So anyway, y'all, talk to you later. Love y'all.